Okay, the 180 centimeter Vortex 180 by ImmersionRC is a pretty strong quadcopter. This thing just hit a goalpost at Shiloh Junior High School and survived.
Telemetry lost.
We're good to go.
Telemetry recovered.
Look at it. It actually hit that goalpost 3 times that day. You're only seeing a video of one of the hits. I'm not really sure what hit, but we've got a little dent, a little mark in the camera right there. We've got another corner hit here on this camera where the silicone case is ruptured. We've got a white mark on one of the motors, another white mark right here. I've cleaned all the mud out of the quad. The quad had mud just dug into it, into the camera housing, in this air scoop everywhere. The quad is A-OK. The quadcopter is perfect. The Vortex 180 is strong. Now, as far as the propellers go, that flight you just saw, I was flying the DP 4x4.5 inch HQ props, and the props did pretty good for hitting a goalpost 3 times. These are tri-blade bullnose props. This one's just fine. This one has a complete prop sheared off. It wouldn't fly with that, but it would fly with these damaged props. Look at this. This one's sheared off in 2 areas. This one's sheared off twice. Not bad. Got another set of them. I'm gonna go through them. I was actually flying with these Gemfan 4045 BNs. These are 2-blade bullnose props. The quad actually does really good with those. The jury's out. I really don't know what's better, to tell you honestly. I need to fly more. I have some DAL props that I've not flown with yet. These are kind of sharp tri-blade 40-45s. Looking forward to flying those. And the Erie Rastafari dude on YouTube that does the FPV flights, can't remember his name exactly, he flew with these, the HQ DP 4x4.3 V1Ss. Now, I'm looking forward to flying with some V1Ss. We'll see what happens. But regardless, the Vortex 180 hit hard and it survived. Looking forward to more flights. DEATHRAT out.